Hi everyone, welcome to the start of a brand new adventure. This year we aren't just looking at a textbook full of facts. Instead, we are accepting an invitation to question, experiment, and explore the beautiful world we live in. From the smallest cells to the furthest stars, let's begin our journey into the heart of discovery. What is science? It is more than just memorizing data for a test. It is the act of looking at the world with fresh eyes and asking, what is happening here? It encourages us to move from being passive learners to active explorers of our surroundings. The world of science covers everything, near and far, small and large. We might spend one day testing materials we find in our own kitchens, and the next day discussing how the sun and stars move across the vastness of space. Nothing is too small or too far to investigate. Have you noticed the page numbers in your book? They follow the flight of a butterfly and a paper plane. This is a reminder that learning takes flight only when curiosity leads the way. When we wonder why, our imagination reaches for the skies. Great things often start simply. Did you know that the dream of flying began with people just watching birds and playing with paper planes? From those simple observations, early inventors and modern engineers built the incredible aircraft we see today. Science turns simple wonder into reality. Science is a process, a specific way of thinking. It's a mindset that doesn't fear the unknown but welcomes it. By training our minds to be curious and open, we learn to navigate the world with a scientific spirit that stays with us forever. This year, we are going deeper. We won't just ask what something is. We will ask how things work and why events happen the way they do. We will look for the hidden patterns in nature that explain the logic of our environment. To truly understand science, we must step out of the classroom and the textbook. Real science happens through direct experience, through the activities and experiments that allow us to touch, see, and feel the concepts we are studying. Every experiment you perform is a stepping stone. These hands-on experiences build the foundation for a much deeper understanding of the environment we live in. They help us find our place on this planet and see that discovery never truly ends. Science isn't just about discovery, it's about responsibility. As young explorers, you will see how our human activities are linked to the natural world. Science gives us the tools to address environmental challenges and create a sustainable world for everyone. Although we have different chapters for physics, chemistry, biology, and earth science, they are all interconnected. An idea in one field often inspires a discovery in another. Remember, everything in science is part of one big, beautiful story. Now that we understand how to think like scientists, let's take a look at what we will be exploring this year. We are about to go on a journey through different fields to see science in action all around us. We begin at home. Have you ever wondered why some fruits are sour, or why a yellow turmeric stain on your uniform changes color when you wash it? We'll use these everyday mysteries to start our exploration of the properties of materials. Next, we'll play with batteries, lamps, and wires. We will experiment to see what it takes to make a lamp glow and discover which materials allow electricity to pass through them and which do not. This exploration of electricity will lead us to a major scientific milestone: classification. We will enter the world of metals and non-metals, learning how to group materials based on the unique properties we've observed. The changes occurring in our surroundings are of two types. The change may be reversible, or sometimes the change may be irreversible. Change is everywhere. Some changes, like melting ice, can be reversed. Others, like a battery running out or fruit ripening, are irreversible. We will learn to distinguish between these types of changes to understand how matter behaves. Heat plays a key role in accelerating or causing many changes. In the reversible example of melting ice, heat flows into the ice cube, causing a state change. We will investigate how heat flows from one place to another and why it makes certain processes happen much faster than others. The sun's heat is the engine of the water cycle. It causes water to evaporate from the seas, which then falls as rain, trickling deep into the ground. We'll see how this cycle connects air, land, and water in a never-ending loop. It isn't just the world around us that changes. We change too. During your middle school years, your body is growing and changing rapidly. We will dive into biology to understand why this happens. All animals need specific processes to survive. We eat to get nutrients, we breathe for air, and our blood circulates those nutrients everywhere they are needed. We'll explore these vital systems that keep us alive. But what about plants? They don't eat like we do, yet they grow. We will investigate how plants make their own food and how they breathe, discovering the beautiful balance life has figured out on Earth. Science also helps us track time. Long ago, humans used shadows in the sun to tell the hour. Today we have digital clocks. We'll look at how we measure time and the speed at which things happen. Light helps us see, but it also explains the universe. By studying light and shadows, we can understand why we have day and night, and how the movements of the Earth and Moon create spectacular eclipses. As you do these experiments, remember that a scientist isn't someone with all the answers. A scientist is someone who keeps asking questions, even when an experiment confirms what they already thought. We end our preview with a challenge. Question the answer. Instead of finding an answer to a question, I will give you the answer, and you must dream up the most creative, curious question possible. Let's turn our thinking around and start exploring. Thanks for watching the video. For more information, videos, and PowerPoint presentation slides, visit our website given in the description. Thank you. Do subscribe, like, share, and comment. Meet you in the next video. Until then, take care.